by Kósmos Church, and welcome to our special music report. Today we are not going to be doing classroom as a result of this special news report, so please be patient with us as we proceed. So the first event of the day that we want to discuss with you is the recent ravage of budget cuts that have hit the church in recent weeks. So all departments have been budget cutted by up to 50 to even 75%. Now, the reason why these budget cuts are occurring is because more money is being funneled into administration to save for a new church location. Now, the youth department did not receive much of a hit from these budget cuts, which has even led to some kind of arguments between the upper departments, such as the emergency department and the Department of Education, to wonder why is the youth department not receiving any budget cuts. They did not receive budget cuts. The adult department, however, received one of the highest budget cuts due to their non-usage. Money that they receive are not being used into the department, so therefore their department received 65% budget cut. But that's not the worst. The worst budget cut really was afforded down to the Department of Security. That's right, our security department, the department that is really most needed in the church. You see, money that is needed in the security department is specifically geared towards funding online programs, funding informational programs. All those will be discontinued. The only services that the Security and Safety Administration will now offer is alerting you when departments in the church open and close, and of course, cyber monitoring, which is still funded by administration. But this department did receive an 85% budget cut, however. Now, let's talk about the emergency department. The emergency department is another department that received a regular average cut of 50%. Now, this is a hard hit due to the fact that the emergency department is actually the busiest department in the church and is responsible for all spending that other departments don't want to do, which is why they receive one of the lowest budget cuts of just 50%. Everybody was 50 or more percent. Only the emergency department was just 50% across the board. Now, part of these budget cuts is limiting the time limits on videos and lengthening church services. So, administration is also making cuts of their own. You see, our lesson plans that we were under the international Sunday school curriculum for all our classes. But due to the fact that this costs approximately $7 a month to maintain, possibly $10 a month to maintain, excuse me, BIOS will be cutting this program. Now, what BIOS plans to do to replace this is to have the staff member make its own lesson plans. But we'll see that in coming future or go back over older lessons. But it's going to take a while because first we have to go to Easter, then we have to go through older lesson plans. So this all might be done and over with by the time they even get around to making this in place, which might not even be until third semester. In other news, the Bios Cosmos Church roadway project is almost finished. As you can see above my hand, you'll see that there are new bricks in the corporate prayer garden. You'll see that the stones were freshly laid, and then you'll see a rug in the multi-purpose room, a brand new rug. These new renovations were sponsored specifically thanks to your donations. And as you see, our background was made nice and neat too, because we just put down new mulch in the prayer garden. We also got new lighting, and there's more on the way. This is a new model of lights the church is now using. It's safer. It helps you see a lot better, and there's more on the way. In addition to this, the church is still stuck at 5 staff members. We need your help. Please sign up at bioscosmoschurch.webelieve.com. As we do have a staff shortage crisis. This is the longest staff shortage crisis we've ever had. Now, Bios Cosmos Church News, have a good day and may God bless.